Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites: UEFI firmware, TPM2, 0 and hardware secure boot support. Once done, back up your OS and export BitLocker keys so you can recover if something changes. Next, restart and enter your motherboard's UEFI/BIOS. Common keys are delete, F2, or ESC. Check your screen. In the firmware, locate boot and security sections. Keep calm and note current settings before you change them, because you'll reverse mistakes more easily. Now, switch your boot mode to UEFI if it's not already. This is required for Secure Boot to function. Then locate Secure Boot and set it to Enabled. Choose the standard or Windows vendor key so Microsoft-signed loaders are trusted. Make sure any custom keys are cleared unless you know what they do. Save settings and reboot. Windows should start. If it complains, re-enter UEFI and check that CSM is disabled and your boot drive is in the UEFI boot list. You're halfway. Finish by verifying inside Windows. Run msinfo32 and confirm secure boot state reads on. This proves the platform trusts signed boot components. If BitLocker activates during the change, use your exported recovery key and then turn BitLocker back on after confirming stability. If the system fails to boot, return to UEFI and undo the last change, enable compatibility/CSM temporarily, or restore previous keys. One key troubleshooting tip: always keep a recovery drive and keys handy. They save hours of work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.